Tonight I want to make a video of our young people, Cape Town young people that are very, very talented in Cape Town, South Africa. There's a lot of young people that are talented, and some of them never get a chance to produce the talent that they have. And we as the older people, adults, must motivate them, help them, so that they can go up in life, and they can produce the talent that they have. I have a young girl here, Elizabeth, only 17 years old. Look how beautiful her drawing is. Beautiful. There is a lot of her pictures, drawings that she draw, and it's so amazing how Cape Town have a lot of talented youngsters that we need to motivate, encourage them, so that they can go forward in life and be successful in life. Cape Town have talent.